In this module, we will learn that how to look into the issue of an intangible asset which is having indefinite useful life. And what is the issue? Issue is to amortize. But we have already learned that intangible assets which are not having a definite useful life or which are having an indefinite useful life, these are not amortized. So let's see what do we learn in this scenario. And the scenario is that sample company acquired a trademark that has remaining useful life of 5 years. Okay, just understand the scenario. Its remaining useful life is 5 years, but is renewable every 10 years at a little cost. So it will be renewed. Sample company intends to renew the trademark continuously, and evidence supports its ability to do so, that yes, this sample company has this much capability to keep on renewing its trademark agreement for the foreseeable future, you can say. So there would be an analysis, and the analysis of product life cycle study, analysis of market competitive and environmental trends, and brand extension opportunities. Based on all these analyses, this analysis provides evidence that trademarked product the trademarked product will generate net cash inflow for the acquiring entity, or which is in fact the sample company, for an indefinite period. The company which is acquiring in fact this trademark, or which is in fact going to decide either this trademark should be amortized or not. Okay, you got the point? The remaining useful life was 5 years, and this company has capability to renew it after each 10 years, and it has intention to renew as well, and all the analysis support that this company would be generating cash flows based on this trademarked product. What's the conclusion? The trademark would be treated as having an indefinite useful life. Why? Because it is expected to contribute to net cash inflow indefinitely. उसकी इंटेंशन है कि वो रिन्यू करवाएगा, एंड कॉस्ट इज वेरी मिनिमल. ओके, और पास्ट भी यही बता रहा है कि इसने रिन्यू करवाया. वेल, therefore the trademark would not be amortized until its useful life is determined to be finite. ये वो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है जिसके ऊपर के हम फिर रिव्यू किया करते हैं ट्रेडमार्क या उसकी तमाम उन इंटेंजिबल एसेट्स का जिनकी इनडेफिनेट यूजफुल लाइफ होती. जहां कहीं वी गेट एन इंडिकेशन कि इसकी लाइफ तो इनडेफिनेट नहीं रही, वहां पर फौरी तौर पे हम उसको फिर अमोर्टाइज करना शुरू कर देते हैं और उसकी एक फिर पहले इम्पेयरमेंट करते हैं. ओके, सो ये वो पॉइंट है जो कि आपने ज़हन में रखना है कि आप उसकी यूजफुल लाइफ के बारे में देखेंगे कि क्या अभी का सिनेरियो सपोर्ट कर रहा है इंडेफिनेट यूजफुल लाइफ. सपोर्ट कर रहा है तो नो अमोर्टाइजेशन. और फिर जब कभी भी कोई ऐसा इंडिकेशन आएगा जिससे पता चलेगा कि अब इंडेफिनेट नहीं है, तो रुक जाएंगे, उसकी इम्पेयरमेंट करेंगे, और फिर आप उसको अमोर्टाइज करेंगे ऑनवर्ड्स जितने बाकी साल रह गए हो. दिस इज द पॉइंट इन दिस सिनेरियो टू लर्न. थैंक यू.